today we're going to be looking at this. It's the MP750 RGB Mousemat from Cooler Master. But first, here's a quick message from my sponsors. Okay then guys, here we've got the MP750, the L and the XL version, where the L is large and the XL is extra large. To my knowledge, they also do a medium. I've not seen a small version available, but they do the extra large and the large versions, which we have here. Sort of price, again, this is price at the moment on Amazon. For the extra large is working around about £43. The large model is around about £32. So again, they do a medium model as well. To my knowledge, that's going to be around about £25–26. So the large and the extra large ones, obviously, they're going to take up a lot more room. Even on the actual box, there's no mention of a small. It shows you the different sizes of medium, large and extra large. Okay, we'll actually have a look at the large model rather than the extra large one. It'd be easier due to size. But as you can see there from the picture on the front of the box, it's quite a shiny box, but you can see the mouse mat, and it does actually light up around the actual edge of the mat. And it's large enough to put a mouse on, where the extra large one would actually be long enough, or should I say wide enough, to actually put a mouse and keyboard on top of it, and they actually do look pretty good. But let's take a quick look at it. So as you can see, it's got the Make It Yours Cooler Master logo on there. It says soft RGB gaming mouse pad. Again, that is soft, so it is a flexible pad. It's not like the hard mats they do. It's RGB, and it also says splash resistance. On the top, you've got thick RGB borders, water repellent coating on there, so if you do spill a drink or whatever, it should be good. On the fly control button, so there's a button directly on the mat where you can actually change the colours. You've got software customization. Obviously you can link that up to your PC or whatever, and then obviously adjust the colouring on there through the software. And if you do have like a keyboard, mouse and other things you want to sync together, it gives you that option on there as well. It shows you the size of the mats. You've got the medium, large, which is the white one in the middle on here, and then the extra large one. So it gives you a rough idea. It says it's a finely textured microscopic mesh, 100% natural rubber. Dimensions is 470 by 350 by 3 millimeters, and size is large. So it gives you a rough idea on there. Otherwise, you've got all your different languages and barcodes there, and yet again more on there on the end, again more barcodes. But let's open this up and see exactly what we have. Okay, once we open it up, nothing else in the box, so let's get rid of that. So you've got the mat here, that's just the hanger from the box. It's in a little plastic bag. Not sure why they really need these plastic bags in all honesty, especially this day and age with plastic issues. It's coming in a box which is sealed, so why it needs to have another plastic bag is beyond me. You got a tube which it's around, and again another plastic bag with the cable in. Again, why do you need these plastic bags if it's coming in a box anyway, which is sealed? Hopefully in the next few years we should see less of this due to the environment or environmental issues what's going off. But let's open this plastic bag up. You've got your cable here for your mouse. Sorry, the mouse pad should I say. It is braided. It's got one of these daft plastic metal ties on. Again, more environmental stuff. The cable length there, so for the actual mouse mat cable, again obviously that's if you want to plug it in and obviously use the RGB lighting. I'm guessing that is going to be around about 1 metre long looking at it. So yeah, I'd say 1 metre, maybe 1.5 metres long on that one. So it gives you enough cable length there to actually go to the PC. What you're going to be plugging in at the back of it, you can feel the rubberized grip on there. You can see the back of the control box on there as well, which is there. It's basically just got the barcode, model number and stuff like that on it. So if we flip it over, it's got a nice sheen to it. It's bubbling up a bit, but that's mainly because it's been obviously curved around that piece of cardboard in that shrink wrap. But as you can see, it looks pretty nice. Control box is there. It's got a button at the top, so you can change the colours, or at least I'm presuming that's what it is according to the manual. So all you do is plug the cable in, plug it into your PC. There we go. So you can see, hopefully on there, you've got the purple background. And if I press, or should I say purple ring, what's going around, it's like a mini tube what's going around the edge with the RGB lighting in it. If you press it, that's changing to, it looks like it's rotating between the colours. It sort of flashes one colour, goes off, goes to the next colour and so forth. Next button press, that seems to be a light blue. That's a dark blue, sort of a turquoise green. I'm guessing that's a light green or a slight yellow colour, red. Then you've got purple, and then you've got that rotating again. So it just gives you only a few different options by pressing the button, not like you can get on some RGB cases and stuff, which gives you a lot more different options. But it gives you enough. So if you just want it on red, you just press it a few times until it's on red, and there you go, you've got your red. The logo doesn't change colour, that stays the colour that it is. Can look a little deceiving, should I say, on the box, because the colouring they use around the mousepad is purple, the same as the logo, so you may think it's purple. I'm just going to turn the lights off in here just so you can see it stand out a little bit better, so just give me 1 second. Okay, as you can see, we've turned the lights off. You can see it's a little bit brighter now, so easier to see. It is a bit lighter around where the box is, where the power comes in, so I'm guessing somehow it beams a light around and it reflects around the edges. Edges are a little bit bright, or should I say the corners a little bit brighter than the bits between. That's probably because it's more compressed and how the light reflects or refracts. But as you can see, you change the lights, it is quite bright. Obviously it's hard to say how you can see it on the camera from here, but it is bright enough. It will definitely stand out on a desk, that's for sure. And if you've got the extra large one, obviously you'll have your keyboard on top as well, just to show you what it looks like with a keyboard on top, which is there, and obviously the mouse there. So the whole thing can light up and look pretty good. Obviously the medium-sized one, or should I say the large one, which this is, and the medium one are designed just for putting the mouse on. If you're wanting the one to put the keyboard and the mouse on, which is really wide, that one is the XL model. The XL model again is around about £43. The large model is around about 33, and the medium is around about the £25–26 mark. In dollars, it probably translates roughly around about the same sort of thing in dollars, because the exchange rate is pretty close these days. But there you go, gives you a rough idea. It looks pretty good, stands out, and there you go. So as you can see, it looks pretty good, and I don't think I'd probably be that ashamed to have one on my desk. Actually, they look pretty good. I think the XL version would fit me better, but as I said, pretty good, especially for the prices. Between roughly the £25 mark and probably about £43–44 at current prices on Amazon, but bear in mind, prices fluctuate. Thanks for watching this video all the way to the end. Don't forget to press the subscribe button over here, that way you'll get all the latest news and all the reviews we do on a weekly basis. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.